If you are a short hair to medium hair length girl, then I hope this video was helpful for you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today is the day that I am officially out of quarantine. Beyonce and I are officially out of quarantine. This has been a long 3 months. And you probably are wondering, like, what do you mean you're out of quarantine? We are going on a road trip to Atlanta. It's about 3:48, 49-ish in the morning. So we're headed off to Atlanta. My hair is not at its best because I'm taking care of that when I get down there. So, but baby is in the back getting stuff ready. We're about to pack the car. We're about to leave. So just wanted to tell you guys good morning and what to expect on this vlog. You can expect a lot of fun. You can meet some of my family, some of my friends, and we gonna have a good time, y'all. I can't wait. So excited. See y'all in a little bit. It is now 10 o'clock. So we've been driving for about 5 hours. Bae has been doing most of the driving. So I'm getting ready to drive. I just took me a little nap so I can do the rest of the way. We only got about 5 more hours to go, so I could definitely do the last 5 hours if we don't switch again.
Yeah, for that I'm gonna ride it all out on.
Oh, babe. The gas station, yeah. We're about to stop and get some gas. I cannot hold my bladder, and I don't drink a lot of water. Like, I have not tried to drink a lot of water because I know how my bladder is. I think I'm a little hungry, so I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to use gas station bathrooms. It's disgusting. And then I feel like when you in these little country little states and stuff, honey, I just don't like to use it. I'd rather go in like McDonald's or something like that. You got a card?
Yeah. No, I got cash. Yep.
Be careful going in there now.
She'll put on the mask, huh? Nah, I don't looking at me.
What you mean? They know we're in quarantine.
They gon' everything gonna stop soon as the dough come in.
I think I might want an Arby's.
You want something out of here?
Oh no, thanks. I'm actually getting my hair shaped tomorrow, so I'm excited for that. So I'm prepping my hair for that. They want me to come there with a wash and go style, so I do have to do a wash and go. I'm gonna do like a real easy wash and go though. Like, it's gonna be quick, honey. I ain't trying to look good. It's just for them to shape my hair, so I'm gonna be real quick with it. So guys, we finally made it. It is, I don't know, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, somewhere around that time. But look who's behind me. Sis, we made it to her barbershop. I'm about to get started on this dude thing. Just to touch that up real quick. We finally made it after 9-10 hours. We only stopped 2-3 times because I told y'all my flat, I couldn't hold it, girl. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Yo, what's up, everybody? We are at Cirque. Daiquiri place, I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all exactly what we're drinking, what we eating, all of that. And what do you notice? I know y'all noticed something different about me. Comments, let me know what you know different about me. And then after this vlog, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what's different about me. But I mean, you can just tell, I'm gonna just give you a little hint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a hint, y'all. Just let me know exactly what y'all think. This is my little outfit that I got on today. It's pretty cute. I got it from Pretty Little Thing. This shirt is really cute. It has like 2 openings at the bottom, at the top. But here's the menu of what we're eating and drinking. It is so hot out here. I'm sweating. This the daiquiris on this thing?
No, this the daiquiri. No, what's this?
That's brunch. Good. I think I want like 2 or 3 daiquiris. I'm trying to get not drunk, but you know, a little feeling myself. This one is called Pink Penny. It says it's fun and flirty and 190% grain alcohol. Do y'all see that?
I remember, I'm gonna just tell you the times where I was like on that, like for real. I remember senior year.
These were 2 shots, y'all. We devoured those. We got our drinks. This is the Pink Penny. This is some mixed stuff with the DUI.
It's called the Bob Marley.
Bob Marley? Yeah. I don't know what's mixed in it though, but that's that. Y'all see I already ate my wings. Y'all. You guys, we just got done eating and drinking. I'm feeling myself. That place was really good. The wings was just alright, but the drinks, let's just say I'm sweating, honey. I'm hot, honey. Girl. But the drinks was good. The wings was alright. My fiance said that the salad was alright. It was good, whatever. Now we're just gonna go back to the house and chill out a little bit, you know, relax ourselves. And that's pretty much it. So we'll check back in with you later, honey. Later, baby. It ain't strong. Is it? Is it strong?
No. That's enough.
I don't even like beer like that. This is beer.
It's Dutchess.
Ugh. It tastes just like beer.
Does it?
Yeah.
This don't taste like beer.
Beer to me tastes like a metal.
Oh, well, maybe you like the other one there.
I like cider. Cider is more of a fruit taste. Hey, P. Hey, P. She ain't paying attention. What it tastes like? Salt. That's why he like it, because it tastes like salt.
No, I just taste like beer, regular beer.
It tastes like regular beer?
Dutchess Cherry. Tastes like salt beer.
How about salt?
Beer with a little salt in it. A hint of salt.
We didn't get the hookah. Orange or something. Oh. What is that?
I don't know. Might have been 7.
He said, I don't know. Hey, buddy.
Nah, this ain't it.
Good morning. I think if it is even morning, but good morning. About to get breakfast. I am so tired. I have a tired headache. I need some coffee, honey. A little bit of coffee. I need some breakfast, something to give me a little energy, because baby, right now I have zero. I have a tire headache. How many? Zero. I have a tire headache. So I need some food in my belly and some coffee. Last night was fun. You had fun last night? Decent little vibe, as you've seen in the previous clip. If you want to rewind that. About to get up out this gym and go back to the crib. So right now we're at a restaurant eating breakfast. I feel like every time I film, we are always eating something. So we're eating breakfast right now, then we're gonna get on the road. A 10-hour trip back to the shack. We plan on stopping in Nashville. We'll see how that goes. Oh! Dang! Good morning, everybody. So this is the day after we returned from Atlanta. We got in yesterday morning, probably about 12 in the morning. So got some good sleep. Now it's back to the real thing, real life, going back to videos, making some stellar videos for you guys, which I'm working on ideas now to see what I want to come up with next for you. So thanks so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It's my first vlog, so I kind of was really trying to figure out how to do it, if you didn't already peep that. But I'm looking forward to another vlog. I think I want to do vlogs at least maybe once a month, just so you guys could just get a glimpse of something else other than natural hair, just to see, you know, what's going on in my little circle in my life. So peace and love. Hope everybody is out there being safe. COVID is still alive. So stay safe, wear your mask, social distance, even if you are out, you know, enjoying yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can catch all my new vlogs, catch all my new natural hair videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video if you want to see more vlogs. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you can get that ring to all my new uploads. See you next time.